Yo, what do you do, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get free traffic from Quora by finding the best questions to answer. So with that said, let's get in. Okay, so now what you wanna do is the very first thing is that you wanna find a product that you're gonna promote, or let's say you have a product already and you're just looking for the best questions you should answer on Quora. I'm gonna show you all that in a moment, but for this example, I'm going to use a product from an affiliate network known as Market Health. So Market Health, they have a bunch of offers that you can promote. I'm not going to use Clickbank because the Market Health allows me to find offers that are in the CPA, so it's cost per action. So we don't have to sell anything or drive people to the sales page. All they have to do is to enter their email and their address so that they ship them free bottles or whatever supplement that they want. So this is gonna be good, and your conversion rate is gonna be higher than normal, for better than Clickbank offers, so which you have to basically have to send heaps and heaps of people to that sales page so that they convert. So for this example, I want to show you how to use how this affiliate network works. So they have a bunch of offers in all these niches, so you can come around here and explore and see which niche you are interested. Then you can find products to promote. Then to grab your link, it's very simple. All you do is just head into the network, choose a product that you want to promote. So for this example, I chose this one for the pets, but this can work for any niche that they have on this marketplace. So I chose these pets because people are very passionate about pets and anything, and there's a pet product on Clickbank. So this one is just a CPA, so they just have to get free bottles delivered straight to their address. So it's just tell us where we can send your trial. It's just a trial, so they pay us up to $45 in case they enter their address, and they just try the offer. So this is good, so you don't have to sell anything and your conversion rate is going to be high. So to find those questions to offer, first of all, you want to go to Quora, set up an account if you don't have one. Then once you have that account, you're going to need a landing page. So with Quora, you can't direct link or anything like that, so you can't place your affiliate links directly onto the platform. So you're gonna need a landing page, and if you don't have a landing page, I created a video some few days back and I'm gonna link it up here so you can get a chance to watch that one, to create landing pages using some free good softwares out there. Then add your affiliate links on those landing pages. So once you have created a landing page, you want to create an account on Quora, and I'm going to show you how we're going to find those questions to answer. What you want to do is you want to create an account, fill out your bio and everything like that, all that good stuff. Then the most important thing is click on your picture here and click on ads manager. So the ads manager is where we're going to go to find the keywords that we are going to target, or we're not going to run any ads, but we're just going to use this to see which questions are getting the most views on Quora. So what we want to do is click on new campaign. You're going to create a campaign. We're not going to create a real campaign, but we're just pretending to create a campaign. We're going to give it a name just to fill this out. Boom, choose anything, choose traffic, boom, anything, put any price. Just want to get through this as fast as possible. Then on the next page, don't worry about this, we're going to scroll down to where it says contextual. Leave this the way it is, then switch this over to questions. So once you switch that to questions, then you want to click on bulk ad. Click on that, then to bring up this pop-up box. So if we have a product in the weight loss niche, so let's say we want to find products that we want to promote in the weight loss category, so what we want to do is type in how to lose weight. So this is going to bring up a bunch of questions that are on Quora and are getting a ton of views weekly and every single month. So enter that, then click on continue. So you can see that this question, what are the best ways to lose weight, gets up to 15,000 people weekly. These are weekly views, or people coming each and every single day to these questions and reading the answers that the people have written. So I guess you can see the potential of this method. So when you go to Quora, you don't have to answer specifically questions that are new. You can try that, it works, but you want to try to find something that already works. So with these questions, you know that if you answer these questions, you are gonna be reaching anywhere in front of these 15,000 people. So to see the question, click on it, then let's open up the question and we see how it looks like. So and these questions have been here for quite some time, so every day people are answering. So you can see this person has 90 upvotes. So that means if you write an answer on this question, and you can see his answer is quite short, it's not long and in depth or anything like that, and they are linking out to their website. So what you want to do is that when you're starting out on Quora, what you want to do is you want to go for these questions with low number of views. Answer those first and don't add your links if your account is brand new. So once you have done that, you have answered like 3 or 5 of these questions, then you can go for these big volume or weekly number of views that have a high number of weekly views. Answer those and add your link to your landing page which you have created. Then by doing that, you will be getting targeted traffic. So for this example I've showed you here, this person wrote a very short answer and it's not in depth, and you can see he has had up to 52,000 views on his answers. Imagine the traffic he was sending to this link. Out of these 52,000 people, I'm very sure with Quora traffic converts better than any other traffic. So these people are super targeted, and they are most likely to click over to go to your website. So once you do this for these questions that are getting a ton of views, and this answer has been written in on the August of 2017, and it has been getting views, reshares, and comments. So I guess you can see the power of this method. So these people are not very special. They're writing basically short answers. If you write a better answer, you have a better chance of ranking on top. And these people who are following these questions, so you can see that 9,000 people are following this question. So when you write an answer, these people are going to get notified via email and they'll come to check out your answer. So make sure you give a valuable answer that's better than those that are already existing. Go in depth, mention different ways how people can lose weight, talk about running or anything like that. So then somewhere in between those ways you are mentioning, you can include another method like using supplements or anything like that. Then you can link out back to your market health landing page you have created that links to any of these offers that you are promoting. This can work for Clickbank, JVZoo, or anything. All you have to do is go back to Quora, fill out your bio, create an account if you don't have one, answer 5 to 6 questions if you haven't yet done so in the first week. Then in the second week, you can start adding your links to your landing pages. So what you want to do, go over to the ads manager, pretend to create a campaign. It doesn't have to be a real ad campaign. Then once you've created the campaign, you can go ahead and see that the questions that are getting the most number of views, answer those and link back to your landing pages. So that is the method, and I hope you liked it. So I'll see you in the next video.